Hero Defense Systems just sent me this Hero 2020 launch box. It's a self-defense product that I'm actually very excited about. So let's see what's inside the box. Looks like this bundle has everything I expected. The first thing I noticed is the printed pages, a quick start guide showing safety features. That's smart. It looks like they're making a real effort to provide online training and fast reading in the box. Wow, this is a very high quality presentation of the Hero 2020 product. My first impression is very good. Looking closer at the launcher, I really like the look and feel. It's sturdy and it feels balanced and well built. The safety switch is very obvious and is on both sides of the launcher. When I turn it on automatically, it turns on the 600 lumen LED, the target assist laser, and unlocks the trigger. It's actually really comfortable to hold and to find the proper finger trigger position. Inside the trigger area, there's a switch that allows me to eject the cartridge and place a new cartridge back on the launcher. Yep, there it is. There's a micro USB port on the back base of the launcher that charges the batteries for the laser and the LED lights. The red charging cable is also in the box. It only takes 2 hours to fully charge the battery. Okay, I can't wait to go outside and practice. I think this Hero 2020 is a good decision.